What is up, YouTube? Welcome to the stream. I'm also about to go live on the Legacy, so if you're tuning in from the YouTube channel and you want to get no delay on the stream and actually message me directly, I'll see your messages right away. Damn, I'm streaming. Get out of here. I think I broke my ring light, not even gonna lie. Yikes. This thing does not even shine anymore. I set it up like in a bad way and it literally just plopped down. Yikes. Okie dokie. Hey, you guys are quick. Golly. What is up? Welcome to the stream. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay, guys, this trade is going to be very fast. I don't have much time for Asia session today. Let me see. I don't have much time today, but I'll do the best I can with the amount of time that I do have. I already know where I'm expecting price to go, and it's just going to be a very quick trade because I already have a very quick TP right here. And then once this new gap opens, I'm expecting this to be TP2, where that's where I'm expecting it to draw down to and eventually continue lower. Okay, so what am I looking for? Let me break it down for you guys. On the daily time frame, the previous daily candle closed inside of a bearish fair value gap. So if this one runs up, like, I just don't understand why it closed inside of it. You know, it's showing us that it wants to go lower. Now the fact that we're up above this previous daily fair value gap kind of shows me that we're in a out of place spot. So we want to kind of run lower. We also have this high of the bearish IFEG. And then on the lower time frame, there's a 30-minute IFEG, which means it closed down below it, and now it's using it to go lower. Asia session is going to open up, and we're going to get a new gap. This first candle right here has no wick, so that's going to be my first draw on liquidity. I think that's going to get like swept out right away. Like as soon as Asia starts, I think we're going to sweep that out right away, and that'll give us a good opportunity to like kind of close our positions, go break even, or take out partials, right? We're going to do that right away, TP1, and then I'm expecting it to fill up this gap. And this can only happen as long as the candle closes somewhere inside of this gap, not above it, somewhere inside of it, by the time this 4 minutes ends and Asia session begins. So I won't be looking for any like buy side. If it does run up above this, like I'm not really looking for any more trades. I'm looking for some sell side today because the daily candle respected the fair value gap. So if it runs up higher, that's just a big fake out move. The fact that it pulled back down all the way before the close and closed down here. Because if it wants to go higher, it should have closed above the gap and then ran higher, right? But it did not close above. It closed below the gap, so it respected it. We're expecting some sell side. That was a really quick analysis, but I hope you guys understand what I'm aiming for. Three more minutes until the close. It's looking really good. Like, it doesn't want to come down here yet, so I'm expecting that this does just happen as soon as we open up. Hi, you usually stick to gold for the Asia session. Can't hear you, no sound. Oh, you guys can hear me? I know my mic's working. It shows on Discord and on the stream. So it's probably a issue on your end, or when I was muted earlier. Your new YouTube video was fire. Thank you, I appreciate it. Very quick YouTube video. I was low-key like not in the mood for filming whatsoever. That's why I also didn't go live yesterday. I just had like way too much work to do, and I just was not feeling it at all. So because I had like a bunch of content, I had to film that YouTube video, and it was like 7 minutes long. That's the shortest video I've filmed so far. But the new one that's coming out on Friday, that one's gonna be fire. I actually spent a good amount of time working on that one. Still can't hear anything. Let's go, let's run it. What's up, everyone? What's up? Whoopsie. I wonder if on OBS I can stream just like my tab, because I keep accidentally clicking other stuff. Okay. What's up, everyone? Thank you for hopping in. Someone announce it? Yes, sir. Luca announced it. Thank you, Luca. Welcome to the stream, everyone. How you guys doing? What's good, OGs? A whole bunch of OGs flowing into the chat. I see Cypher in here. Let's go. So let me break down what I was expecting. I already talked about it a little earlier, but that was just a quick breakdown. This is a 30-minute gap, right? This 30-minute gap, it came down below this gap right here, and now it's coming back into it. And the reason why I'm expecting it to run down from this gap, and this is my TP1, a candle with no wick. Also, it's about to close above this gap. I wanted it to kind of stay inside of it. We got 30 seconds left. I kind of want to see it close inside of this gap so it can run lower. I still think it'll run lower even if it closes above, because with this no wick candle, there you go, nice pullback. And the reason why I'm expecting sell side is because the gap on the daily, you can see that it closed inside of the gap. So 2 times, this one ran up, failed it, came back down, closed down here. Second one also failed it, came back down, closed right here. So I don't think that we're gonna run higher if we keep respecting these gaps on the daily time frame. So right now we're just about at the top of Asia session, let's go. We're just about at the top of this IFEG. All bearish. We're all bearish. Like, if it goes higher than this, I'm just like, I'm following price action, okay? So that was just a huge fake out. So now that we got a new 30-minute candle, I'm expecting a rebalance right here, come lower into TP1 and then TP2. Hopefully closing below the, let me get rid of all these. Hopefully closing below the 30-minute gap that just opened. You can see that just because Asia session opened, we got a new 30-minute gap. I'm expecting that it now runs down from here below these. So now we just go on the 1 minute. We find a quick 1 minute confirmation, and I'm taking a scalp today. We're taking a quick scalp. We're going to cook up some profits off the first inversion that I see. And there's a gap right here. As soon as we come down below this, I'm hopping in my trade. I'm not afraid of this. Stop loss is just going right above these highs. And I'm riding this down to TP1 and then TP2. At TP1, we're going break even. So as soon as it closes below this gap, you know what we're doing. Get ready. 1 minute left. TP1 and TP2 down here. Let me split my screen and show you guys what's going on the higher time frame as well. Daily. There you go. So on the daily time frame, we have that gap right there and then this one. So you can see we want a bearish daily candle today. It's already running. That's a beautiful Asia session. Like, it's going towards the exact direction I want it to go in. Let's go 30 minute. Remember, TP1 is this low right here, and then TP2 is filling up that gap. TP2. I'm just honestly in a rush today, guys. I'm sorry. I would be more patient, wait for a setup, but we ain't got time for that today. Okay, so it already closed below. Let's see if it taps back in. It gives us an entry. There you go. Boom. I'm in. Bang, bang. Let's see it pull back in 10 seconds. Either way, I think it's going down. This is just like a confirmation showing us that we're running on sell side. Like, it doesn't have to respect this 1 minute perfectly. We already know we have the 30-minute confirmation. We have the daily narrative. There you go. It respected it as well. That's perfect. All right, boys. Who's in? Who's in with me? My positions are in. Let's run it up. Or run it down, should I say. Let's go, boys. I know this is going to be a quick trade to TP1. Whether TP2 gets hit, it might take a while. Remember, this is a bullish gap, so it might take a while for TP2 to get hit, but I definitely am pretty confident that we're going to take out this candle with no wick down here. Let's go. There should be no reason we go up above these highs, especially after we got that inversion. Hey bro, send you proof of the account. Oh, you already set it up? Did you send it on Instagram or on Telegram? Because I just set one more person up. It takes me a little while to set it up, so I'll probably just run you in the next wave. I've been riding long since this morning. Nice, good stuff. Good stuff, good stuff. Should be inside. I didn't get anything from you, Aiden. Unless it got lost in my messages, I didn't get nothing. You just send me another message or like tag me in wherever you sent it, because I don't see it. Like I said, we're still chilling. I don't think it's going to sweep out these highs. This is a 30-minute inversion. We did get an IFEG. So let's see this sell side. Come on. Ooh. How you guys doing? What you guys been up to? Whole lot of people in here. If you're not familiar with who I am, you can find me on Instagram at Full Send Traders. Full Send Traders. I'll drop it in the comment section. Feel free to hit me up. Let me know that you tuned into the stream. And once we hit profits on this trade, tag me in a story and I'll repost your guys' trade. Let's run it up, guys. Supporting everybody. Sometimes I'm just confident, guys. This is a really good setup, like genuinely. If it goes higher than this, like I'll just be like confused. Like I just won't understand it because, okay, let's see, 30 minute. We also left a little bit of a rebalance like for the 30 minute, for those of you that know what that is. If you want to know the concepts that I'm trading and like actually understand them, then I do have some YouTube videos as well. I just started this YouTube channel and I've been uploading pretty consistently on it. All trading videos. I think I simplified this video right here. This just kind of breaks down all the concepts that I use, and these are the only ones that you need to know to actually keep up with what I'm saying. Waiting on the new account to come through. Stoked. Hey, me too. Me too, brother. Is anyone having trouble with Top Step? Nah, we trading legacy. We trading legacy. How much you in on these? I'm low-key, like if I'm going to be honest. I'm copy trading like 10 accounts with 500 in it. Some of them have 800 already. Started a copy trader. But once we get those legacy accounts, you guys will see like directly on my stream. I just don't want to be showing you guys a broker because that's against the company policy, guys. We're trading legacy. I'm excited, honestly. I'm so excited for the drop. I love trading futures prop firms. And when you do good, you keep up with the rules, like you'll cook so much. Let's go. Let's run up to TP1. This is going to be a really quick and easy trade. There you go. We're already running. We're already running in profits, guys. That's easy. Some advice: I've been trading for 2.5 years. I've been profitable, but since a month and not profitable no more. If you're only not profitable for a month, sometimes it's not about you. Like think about it. If you've been profitable for 2 years, then how are you going to base one month of performance on 2 years of profitability? I got a DM from somebody. I'll respond to you after the stream, brother. Damn, I'm only doing a 0.04. Yeah, I'm in with like 0.38. That's me with the proof. Okay, let me see. Be sure to send me a message on Instagram, by the way, if you tuned into the stream. I don't usually trade Asia. Is this movement considered slow or not? Does it look slow to you, brother? Because that does not look slow to me. It's just starting off. The session literally just started. It's 9 minutes into the session. What do you mean slow? The movement just started. We got a huge push up into this 30-minute IFG, which I'm using as the confluence for the trade. This gap right here. I don't have it marked out on the right side, but I do on the left. The big gray shaded region, that should be the daily for Valley Gap. You see that? That's the daily gap. So we're expecting price to pull down even lower than the daily gap. We want to see a daily bearish candle. So this right here is a daily candle. I want to see this turn into a bearish candle. So that means it has to come down below the low. Just like this. That's what I'm looking for. That's why I'm short right now from the Asia Open. I'm just scalping right now. Like I think overall in this daily candle, we're going to get a bearish move. I'm scalping right now. I'm aiming for this short quick TP. And then TP2, but at TP2 I'm already break even on my positions. I already took some partials, okay, because I have to go in like 20 more minutes, so I don't have too much time. So here we have the rebalance. Like I said, it's in this video that I made right here, simplified ICT, so even a 12-year-old couldn't understand. I just kind of broke down all the concepts that I use if you want to understand them. It's really easy. Like, the reason why I'm able to catch the setup, like, I literally came into the stream, I broke it down in 30 seconds. The reason why I'm able to do that and I'm confident hopping in positions, even risking other people's money, like I'm risking like 10 other people's money, it's because I'm confident. Like, I've done this tens of thousands of times. Every day over the last like 5-6 years, I've come into Asia session and I looked for the same exact setup. And I've just kind of memorized it. I've gotten familiar with it. I think I'm just used to trading New York Open, so I'm probably not trading enough lots. Yeah, New York Open moves like rapidly because of news. You got to be careful with that. Is the symbol same as MGC? Yeah, it's the same as MGC. Whenever I trade my futures accounts, I'm trading MGC. Same exact thing. I use the Forex chart on TradingView for my actual price action, like to see my setup, but I always place the execution on the futures chart. I'll show you guys once I get my legacy account set up as well. Symbol for futures, he just set it down below. It's MGC. GCZ, that would be on TradingView, I believe. But on like most futures prop firms, it's going to be MGC. There you go. We're running. This is a beautiful setup. Beautiful setup. Remember, we got in off of this IFEG right here, and I wasn't too scared that it ran up higher than it right here because I know that the 30-minute overall is pushing price down. So we're about to hit that first TP. Get ready to go break even on your positions and take off partials. There we go. We just swept it, and bang, I'm break even on my position. Holding to TP2 now. There you go. That was pretty solid. Quick, easy TP1, and then TP2 is coming in. We want to see it run straight through this gap. But remember, this might not happen right now, and it might take us out at break even. Normally, I would be streaming a little bit longer, so I could give you guys a second setup. But in this case, I have to go, so I'm just letting you guys know I'm going break even on this setup. If it takes me out, I'll be looking for another setup a little later. I'll share it on my Instagram, like on my story. If you want to get the trade, follow me on Instagram, send me a message, let me know that you tuned into the stream. That was quick, guys. It wasn't that quick. Quick, simple, easy setup. And you can see that it's probably going to pull up a little bit here because that's a 30-minute rebalance, a candle with no wick, and a 30-minute FEG. Like, that's a really high probability setup right there. So that's probably going to take us out here at break even after some partials. But I still secured some profit. I'm happy with that. Quick setup. It did exactly what I wanted it to do. So not gonna lie, I'm happy with this. Hope you guys are happy with this as well. Thank you all for tuning into the stream. I've been in long since 6:30. Your position is probably so far away you don't have to worry about it. But I'm just letting you know that I personally have a bearish narrative. Took my $20 and I'm chilling. Aiden, $20 is $20. You know, that was like 3 minutes. That was literally 3 minutes of a trade. Let's count actually. We got, so from our entry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 minutes. I mean, 10 minutes, $20. Sounds just about right, not gonna lie. Alrighty, boys. Thank you all for tuning into the stream, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Sorry for the quick stream, but I honestly have to go. Got some things to do. That was super quick stream. Be sure to send me a message on Instagram if you tuned in. Catch you guys in the next one.